Good evening, happy 4th of July, and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked onto long range weather forecast discussion for July 7th to 19th. For July 7th to the 11th, we're forecasting generally a zone of flow across the nation. We have a trough here over the Aleutians, extending south above normal heights. We have a ridge here off the western Canada coast, above normal heights here across eastern Canada and the northeast. Now we're going to go through the models, and we also have an upper low here off the west coast. And the model's in good agreement with this solution. A stalled frontal boundary from the southern plains to the northeast. This boundary would be the focus for heavy rainfall, and this upper low off the west coast right here will support convective rainfall from Northern California, Nevada, and Southern Oregon. Energy ahead of the system should enhance diurnal convection across the Rockies. And during this period, we're forecasting above normal temperature for the west, with anomalies of 8 to 10 degrees above normal. And also above normal temperatures of 6 degrees above normal forecast for the southeast. Below normal temperatures forecast for the plains into the northeast. Expect anomalies of 6 degrees below normal. I'm going to look now at the period for July 10th to the 14th. Here we are on the 11th. We still have this upper low here, or trough off the west coast. We also have a trough here over the Aleutians, above normal heights across this region, and also eastern Canada and northeast. We can see here we have a zone of flow, and the model is in good agreement with this solution. Now, during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here due to the trough in the upper low, above normal temperatures here, and across this region. And the temperature anomalies are forecast to be about 4 to 6 degrees below normal in the below normal areas in the west, and above normal temperatures forecast for the northern plains, northern and central plains into the middle and upper Mississippi Valley, southeast, middle Atlantic coastal states with anomalies up to 8 degrees above normal. That's generally across this region here. For precipitation, I am calling for above normal precipitation here and here, below normal precipitation for this region. Next is for the period July 15th to the 19th. Here we are on the 15th, and we have the GFS is forecasting an amplified pattern. We saw this 594 DM ridge over the Great Basin. And we have our trough here. You can see a little bit here. And we're going to go through this period. Let me see if I can get to see a little bit more. It's forecast, the GFS forecasts an amplified pattern, and this isn't used. It's shown a 594 ridge here. Trough in the east. Now, also its ensembles, it's not in good agreement with its ensembles, with this ensembles forecasting near to above normal heights for much of the nation, and perhaps a ridge across here, but generally a weak zone of flow. Now, the other models have the ridge more into the southern plains, but still a zone of flow and near to above normal heights, except below normal heights across this region here as the trough moves inland off the west coast. And then we have the Canadian has a zone of flow with near normal heights across much of the nation. One thing to note, this is the climate forecast system for this region, and it has a ridge here across southern U.S., below normal heights here, associated with the upper low, but with a generally flat flow across the nation. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, near normal elsewhere, and we'll take a look at the temperature anomalies. And we're generally forecasting temperatures to be about 4 to 8 degrees above normal. For precipitation, I am calling for below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation from the Ohio Valley, Middle Atlantic, and the Northeast. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for July 7th to the 19th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Have a good day and enjoy the 4th.